Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to share something truly exciting with you, how you can become a millionaire even if you don't earn much. Sounds impossible? Well, stick around and I'll show you it's not. Now, you might be thinking that the key to becoming a millionaire is saving every single dollar. While saving is important, simply stashing away $10 bills isn't the answer. Why? Because when you save money and put it in the bank, the value of that money decreases over time due to inflation. Essentially, your money loses its purchasing power. Instead, we need to invest our money smartly to beat inflation. Investing helps our money grow over time through the power of compound interest. For example, imagine waking up one morning to find out your investments have made you a millionaire after years of discipline and smart choices. It's not about magic tricks or following trends like drop shipping or buying random cryptocurrencies. It's about having discipline and making smart investment decisions. Let me introduce you to an inspiring story, the story of Grace Groner. Grace was an ordinary person with a modest income. She worked as a secretary at Abbott Laboratories and made a simple investment of $180 in 3 shares of the company's stock when she was 25 years old. She held onto those shares for 43 years without adding more money. Over time, the value of those shares grew significantly, turning her into a millionaire. Grace's story is a testament to the power of disciplined investing. Despite having a low income, she was able to build substantial wealth. Grace's story shows us that anyone, even those with low incomes, can become a millionaire through disciplined investing. So, let's explore the magic of compound interest and how it can work for you. Compound interest is essentially earning interest on your interest. It might start slow, but over time, the growth becomes exponential. Here's a quick example. If you invest $1,000 at an annual interest rate of 7%, after 10 years, you'll have about $1,967. After 20 years, it grows to around $3,869, and after 30 years, it balloons to $7,612. This is the power of compound interest. The key to making compound interest work for you is to start early and be consistent. Even small, regular investments can grow significantly over time. So, what can you do today to start your journey to becoming a millionaire? Here are a few tips. Start investing as early as possible. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Invest regularly. Consistency is key. Set aside a portion of your income to invest every month. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes. Stay disciplined. Avoid the temptation to pull out your investments during market dips. Remember, you're in it for the long haul. Remember, becoming a millionaire is a marathon, not a sprint. With disciplined investing and the magic of compound interest, you can achieve financial success, no matter your income level. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like me to cover in the future. Until next time, happy investing!